In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to withdraw from Yeeha app step by step. And the reason is because earning money is one thing, but knowing how to successfully withdraw your earning is another thing. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you are new to Yeeha and you want to know how the app works, I have already made a separate review video explaining everything in details. So make sure you check that video out after watching this tutorial. So this is my Yeeha's app interface and I have one spin and I'm just going to go ahead to spin. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my profile page. Now when you check carefully, you will see coins and you see diamonds. So I'm going to click on diamonds. I'm going to click on diamonds and I'm going to scroll and I'm going to see withdraw. I'm going to click on withdraw. And this is what it looks like here. Now you will see the option to withdraw via sellers or official. Now this is the part that you need to pay attention carefully, because if you want to withdraw through sellers, the minimum is 1 million or 1 million points, which is equivalent to $5. And if you click on official, the minimum here is 2 million points, which is $10. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to withdraw through sellers, which is coin sellers. And if yours is not showing this blue tick here that shows that I've selected my amount, then you want to check your balance and make sure that you have up to 1,020,000 diamonds. So another important thing is that if you want to withdraw through sellers, you want to make sure that your balance is up to 1,020,000 diamonds. 1,020,000 diamonds. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my payment method. Since I'm using sellers, or since I'm withdrawing through sellers, I'm going to be adding the sellers details. So I'm going to select Binance and I'm going to put in the Binance ID name and my own WhatsApp number. Now, one thing I want you to have in mind is that the payout option may be different depending on your location too. So make sure you check carefully and choose the one that is available for you. So I'm just going to go ahead to fill in my details. So once I've added the seller's details, I'm just going to go ahead to confirm. I'm going to double check to make sure that everything is correct. So once I'm sure everything is correct, I'm going to click on confirm. So the next part is to choose a trader. So I'm going to choose the seller and I'm going to choose this particular seller here. And I'm going to mark the payment method, which is the coin seller's details. So I'm going to check, and once I'm very sure that everything is correct, I'm just going to tap on withdraw. I'm going to tap on withdraw. So I'm going to confirm once I'm sure everything is correct. So remember that depending on your location, you may have different payout option. So after submitting my withdrawal request, I'm just going to wait for the payment to be processed. Now the processing time will depend on the payments method you choose and time and location as well. Now if you want to check your withdrawal history, or if you want to check your processing payment, all you need to do is to click up here. So as you can see, I'm still waiting for the seller to agree. So once the payment has been received, I'm going to show you the payment confirmation on the screen. So after some minutes of waiting, I went back to my history and found out that my withdrawal request has been completed. And as you can see, I have received my withdrawal from Yeeha through seller. it was paid directly to my local bank. However, one thing I want you to keep in mind is that the withdrawal times and the available payments method will depend on your location, just as I have said before. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more app tutorials and app reviews. You can also join my Telegram channel for more updates. If you have any question about this video, make sure you join my Telegram community and ask your question. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.